To get started, you want to arrange your threads on the board in the colour order that you want them to be. So I've got the central cord, which is mostly not going to be seen, that's just the one to work over, and then I've got the colour pattern going out at each side. So to get started, you're going to be knotting over these two threads from each side, and you can knot the first one if you want, which I'm going to do, but you don't have to do this if you don't want to. So once you've done that, you just want to put one section to one side, and then you want to work with the other section. So to start with, I'm going to be knotting towards the centre. And once you've knotted one colour, you want to let that one go, and then take the next colour, and you're only going to be knotting over this thread. And then again, you're going to drop this thread with the other one, and then take the next colour in your sequence. And then take your last colour and do the same. So once you've done that section, you can put that one to one side, and then do the same thing at the other side. Again, you're going to be working towards the centre, so you're going to be doing a mirror of what you did last time. So take your first colour and knot it towards the centre. And then do the same thing for the rest of your colours. So once you've done both sides, you can do the second part of your pattern. So you can start with either side you want, and since I'm already on this side, I'm going to do it here. And this time you're going to be taking your colours and working away from the centre. And like you did before, once you've worked a colour, you're going to put it to one side, and then work your next colour. So once you've done all your colours, you can once again put these to one side and do the same thing with your other section. So once you've done both sections, you should have the colours back in the order they were to begin with, and then you can take your central threads and knot them together, and this will just hold your bracelet in place. And you could use the same colour here that you've used next to it if you want, if you don't want this colour to show up. I've decided to do a slightly different colour to contrast, just to have something in the centre, but you don't have to do it like that if you don't want that colour to show up. And once you've done that, you want to return to what you were doing at the beginning and just keep repeating this until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it. And once you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. And you can do braids at either end so that you can tie your bracelet on. But if you decide to do it slightly differently and start with a loop, what you'll do is at the other end you will do 2 braids so that you can tie your bracelet on. And that is your completed wave pattern friendship bracelet.